So you just got your brand new Tesla, huh? If you're anything like me, you're definitely really excited to get this thing on the road. But wait, these 19-inch silver Gemini wheels just aren't hitting right for you, and you didn't want to spend that extra $2,000 on the 20-inch wheels with the black rims and taking off a little bit of your range. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your silver Gemini hubcaps into a beautiful matte black for under $50. So the first thing you want to do is take those suckers off. Give them a good tug here and there and they'll come right off. Don't worry about breaking them, they're snap-ons. So for this DIY project, go to your nearest Home Depot, grab a couple cans of Plasti Dip, probably 2 or 3 will do, but if you want to play it safe, get 4. And get some electrical tape. Trust me, it's going to be worth it. Just follow my lead. But Lawrence, why would you want electrical tape? Well, for most people who paint their rims, you'll notice that when you put them back on, you'll get this really ugly silver line going across your wheel, and you don't want that. Once you have your hubcaps off, take a cloth and wipe down the sides of your rims. Make sure that they're all clean so the electrical tape will stick to it perfectly. Get all that nasty dirt and tire oil right off your rims and make sure they're clean. Now, take your electrical tape and go around the rims where those silver lines will be. Take your time and go around all 4 tires. The electrical tape will blend right in with the tires and your matte black rims once you're done painting them. Take your time and don't rush this process. It'll be worth it in the end. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is wash your hubcaps. You can either use some dish soap and some water, or you can just use a wet cloth and wipe it down. Make sure that there's no dust or dirt in between any of the crevices. Okay, now before we start painting, make sure your hubcaps are nice and dry. Don't leave a single drop of water on them. And don't paint your hubcaps inside your garage. Do them outside where you have good ventilation. Get some cardboard and place your hubcaps on top. Now for the fun part. When you start using your Plasti Dip, make sure you're at least a half a foot away. Don't make the same mistake as I did and go too close, otherwise your coat will get all bubbly. You're gonna have to do 2 to 3 coats and wait 30 minutes between each coat. If you mess up, it's okay. You can peel Plasti Dip right off when it dries. But piece of advice, don't mess up. Okay, I'm on my 3rd coat now, but give this thing about an hour to dry off before you even think about touching it. Okay, so it's been about an hour. Double check your work and make sure that you've gotten every single corner on the hubcap. Okay, it's been about 4 hours. I think they're pretty dry. I'm gonna pop one on to see how it looks. Line up your hubcaps with the Schrader valve and push them right back on. They should pop right in. There you go, matte black rims for under $50. Now doesn't that look sexy as fuck?